Arnold Schwarzenegger has made no secret over the years that also he was on steroids during his competitive days. He admitted this in a rare interview with Men's Health. Of course, he must have been on steroids, because you simply cannot get a muscular body like he had it without it. Let me show you quickly how ordinary bodybuilders looked like in a time when there were no steroids around. After that, we will reveal what Arnold took and why he is now absolutely against taking it. Let's dive right into it. There was a time when steroids were not widely available and people did not even think about using it. In fact, one of the first persons who came up with testosterone injections, you will not believe this, was Adolf Hitler. But he did not get injections for gym and muscle gain. He got injections prescribed by one of the best physicians of that time, Otto Warburg. Otto Warburg, a genius, brilliant physician who made discoveries about cancer and why it develops through fermentation of sugar, which resulted in a Nobel Prize and which is still undisputed until today. This Otto Warburg recommended testosterone to Hitler. Story has it that Hitler had only one testicle and thus testosterone production lagged behind. To balance this, Warburg gave injections. In that time, bodybuilders looked quite different as they look today. Yes, you can see that they do something, but compared with today it is simply no match. To keep it short, you cannot get muscles like this as we see it everywhere today without taking steroids. Period. Meaning, most bodybuilders who look like the Incredible Hulk take it, even if they deny it. But what was it exactly what Arnold took? First, we want to tell you that Arnold Schwarzenegger has just warned bodybuilders around the globe to stay away from steroids. Steroids kill, he explains in a published article in Fitbook, and he saw too many good people die. Acknowledging the fact that he himself was on steroids while he was active in the game. He even made no secret, telling us in an interview with Men's Health on what he used to take in his competitive days. "I know, I might sound like a hypocrite, but I know better now," he said. "Through my experience, I want to tell young athletes, you better stay away from it. I saw people firsthand going through a kidney transplant, and I saw how they suffer." Arnold reveals, in the same Men's Health interview, that he took the steroid methandionone. It is more commonly known under the name Dianabol, D-Bol. It is very common in the scene, and Arnold reveals that he took 100 milligrams a week. But that was not all. In addition to that, he took 3 Dianabol a day, which sums up to 15 milligrams a day. Today, as he is older and wiser, he does not recommend it at all. Everybody can have a change of heart, especially as years go by. It is a good thing that Arnold waits in with his popularity on this important subject. Hopefully, the one or the other will follow his advice for a good and more healthful future. Always remember that each one of us has only one life to live. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more like this, subscribe to the channel.